In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your work with Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to set up a board and turn on smart automations that save time and keep your team in sync. Start on the Monday.com home screen, then head to Workspaces. Workspaces help you keep different teams or projects neatly separated, so it's worth thinking about how you want to organize things. Click the plus icon to add something new. Here, choose to create both a folder and a board. A folder keeps related boards together, and a board is where your items, groups, and columns live. Give them clear names so teammates immediately know what they're for. Open the folder you just created, then open the board inside it. With your board on the screen, look to the top right and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where you can browse ready-made recipes or build your own. You'll first see categories designed to help you find what you need quickly. Use Explore to browse popular and useful options across different use cases. Check out the AI-powered section for automations that leverage built-in intelligence to summarize, predict, or enrich data. The recommended areas suggest recipes that match how your board is set up. If you're focused on speed and consistency, the productivity category is a great place to start. Think status updates, reminders, and handoffs triggered by simple actions. If none of the templates fit your exact needs, select Create from Scratch. This lets you combine a trigger, conditions, and actions into a custom rule tailored to your workflow. It's perfect when you know the exact sequence you want to automate. You can also switch to Manage from the Automation Center. In Manage, the Automations view shows everything currently turned on for your board, making it easy to track and edit rules in one place. Run History helps you understand what fired, when it happened, and whether it succeeded, handy for troubleshooting and fine-tuning. My Connections is where you review and control the tools connected to your automations, like integrations that move data between platforms. Account Usage shows how much of your automation allowance you've used so you can plan ahead and avoid surprises. When you're ready to build, go back to Create. Pick a template that matches your goal and click Use Template. Finally, click Create Automation to confirm. Your rule is now active on the board and will run based on the trigger you selected. That's it. Your board is set up, your automations are live, and your workflow just got faster and more reliable.